Let's take a look at how to install our 9 LED voltmeter into a BMW E30 instrument cluster. For the installation, you'll need the instrument cluster, the 9 LED voltmeter, screwdrivers, some alcohol, a soldering iron, sandpaper, and a paper towel or lint-free cloth. We'll start by opening the instrument cluster. There are 9 screws on the back of the cluster that need to be removed. Once all 9 screws are out, carefully separate the front and rear sections of the cluster. Next, locate the original bracket inside the cluster, unscrew it and remove it to make room for the voltmeter. For the 9 LED version, there is also a small piece of plastic inside the opening that needs to be removed. Carefully take it out. Once the opening is clear, take the 9 LED voltmeter and install it in its place, using the original screw to secure it. Before connecting the wiring, we need to prepare the contact points for soldering. Lightly sand the metal surface where the wires will be soldered. This removes the surface coating and helps create a clean, reliable solder connection. After sanding, clean the area with alcohol to remove any remaining dust, dirt or residue and allow it to dry. Now we're ready to solder the voltmeter wires. As shown here, the power wire is soldered to the 7th contact point, while the ground wire is soldered to the 1st contact point. Make sure both connections are properly soldered and secure before reassembling the cluster. When putting the 2 sections of the cluster back together, pay attention to the position of the wires. Keep them neatly routed so they aren't pinched or caught between any of the components. Once everything is sitting correctly, close the cluster and reinstall the 9 screws on the back. All that's left to do is to reinstall the instrument cluster in the car. And that's it! The 9 LED voltmeter is now installed and ready to display your E30's voltage directly from the cluster.